Alrighty, this is a Portland 1750 PSI pressure washer, item number 63254 and 63255 from Harbor Freight. But we don't call it that. We call it the Mean Green Machine. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful November day here in Tennessee, and what we thought would be a great thing to do on this beautiful November day is bust out the Portland pressure washer from Harbor Freight. Now, this sucker is 1750 PSI, and we've had this thing about a year now, so this is not an unboxing. What this is going to be, this is going to tell you how this thing has held up over the course of the year, how much we've used it, and is it worth it. So a lot of you people, when you're thinking about buying something new like that, you look and you see somebody take it out of the box. But this is a review after we've had it a year. But I am going to show you, just in case, if this is your first time checking one of these things out, I'm going to show you how to set it all up. It's really easy. It's no problem at all. So let's hop to that right now. Alrighty, here we go. First things first, if you got this thing out of the box, it does come with this 25-foot hose. It's a real rigid hose. It's just got a real quick connector here. And after about 6 months, you might want to put a little grease on that O-ring right there. And it just goes right here to this. You just plug it in there, and then you just screw this sucker right on there just like that. Easy, easy. It also comes with the wand here. So the wand is pretty basic. It does have a trigger lock right here, and then this little switch right here is what locks the hose to it. So the hose on this end goes right up in here like this, and then it locks down like that. Just easy. And then it comes with our tip. And one of the things that I like about this tip is it's an adjustable tip. So you can adjust your pattern, you can adjust your spray. You don't have to get a bunch of tips out. Like I've got a Honda pressure washer. It's got a 13 horsepower motor with a 4,000 PSI cap pump. It is a phenomenal pressure washer. Has a 50-foot hose, and it's got all kinds of tips, and I'm always losing those things. It's a different pressure washer for a different job. It has its own job, just like this one does. But this adjustable tip, it's really good. You can just fan it out, fan it up. It's really good. It's really easy to put together here. You just stick it in there, like I say, after about 6 months. Put a little grease on here. I try to keep them greased, and then a quick turn, and it's ready to go. And it's just like that. Then you can rinse off whatever you're washing. And then and it also comes with this little foam cannon right here. And this guy, there's nothing special about it. It's not real elaborate. I put car wash soap in there, dishwashing soap, whatever I'm washing, I'll put in there. I usually put it in there pretty, almost full strength most of the time. I just like it that way. And then it's the same way. You just stick it in the wand with a half turn, and you're ready for your foam cannon. It's really easy, really easy. It comes apart really easy. And then you can store it up here with the wand, and then the foam cannon goes back to store right there. Our water hose is going to go here, and then our electrical cord's going to go here. And anytime you plug it up, you got to push the red button. So every time you plug it up, you got to push the red button to get it going. So let's do that right now. Let's get the water hose hooked up. Let's get the foam cannon on. Let's clean this truck. And I'm also going to show you, I'm going to take you back in time to a bunch of previous videos this year and show you how much we've used this thing. So let's get to it right now. guys. That's one of the best things I like about this little Portland pressure washer. The Mean Green machine is you can get it out, you can hook it up, and then you can put it back up in just a few short minutes. It's just, I mean, that's probably the best thing about it, is the ease of use. You just take it out, hook it up, wash what you want to wash, and put it back up. For electric pressure washer, you just can't beat it. And I hope that you did see all the stuff that we have washed, all the clips that I showed that we've washed with this thing over the past year. So if you're asking yourself, if I buy this thing, will it hold up? Well, this one held up for us for a year. And I think that they got it on sale right now for $79. I'm pretty sure that we picked this one up for $69. I can't really remember for sure, but I think it was $69. It was on sale. And if something happened to it today, I'd go buy another one just like it. I wouldn't even shop around. I mean, this thing is just, it's cheap, it's inexpensive, it does what it's supposed to do. You can't ask for anything else. And that's why I would buy it again. It's made it a year. I don't know. It don't have any indication that it's going to quit today or it's going to quit tomorrow. So maybe a year from now, it'll still be going, and we use it a lot. So if you like what we're doing, you give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.